Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a special one. We're at the mother-in-law's house and we are colouring some eggs for Easter. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put some eggs into a pot, a saucepan, and we're going to only do 12 eggs today. Right, we're having a pretty easy Easter this year. So put those into a cold pot, fill that up with cold water just so the water covers the eggs. Turn that on to not quite high, just a little bit under that, and we're going to wait for that water to boil. As you can see, it's come to a boil and we're setting our timer for 5 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to wait for that to count down. In the meantime, we need to make up our dye. Right, so this particular dye, you need 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of vinegar. Mrs. KP and I could not agree on a quantity, so I just said, alright, I'm doing an overflowing tablespoon of vinegar. It worked, okay. 200 ml of hot water, like boiling water, if you can possibly get it in time. Put that straight into a bowl that will not stain. These are a very old school enamel bowl, and it's going to look terrible at first, but look, these things clean up absolutely beautifully. We're going to put in our packets of dye. Now this one here is orange. It's not flavored, of course, it's just the color, and this one here is yellow. Right, well, personally I thought this color was awesome. Right, just put your dye packets into your water vinegar mixture just like that, and give that all a good stir as per usual, and just make sure we get all of that dye incorporated into the water vinegar mixture. I'm doing the light one first. I'm going to cross-pollinate a tiny bit of that yellow dye into the orange. Not going to hurt, it's not going to matter, you're not going to notice it. So once again, give all of that a good stir and dissolve all of that dye ingredients into that water. Right, our 5 minutes is up for our eggs, and what we're going to do, we're going to leave it in the hot water. We want these eggs to be nice and hard, of course, and I'm slowly, or very carefully, going to use a slotted spoon of a sort and just carefully transfer them over. Now I'm only going to put 4 of each egg into the dye, and good reason for that. I'll show you that in a couple of seconds or so. Alright, so put your eggs in to the dye just like that, and all we need to do now is let those eggs absorb all of the color that we have mixed up. Now everything is still really hot, so be careful. Use something to transfer the eggs, don't use your fingers, and as a precaution I'm also wearing a pair of gloves. As you can see, Nana KP, or Nada's mum, has put down some paper and some towels, so we're not going to hurt this stone bench. We don't want to get anything onto that at all. If you've got a laminate bench or a stone bench, make sure you protect it very well. This will stain and it will not come out, I guarantee you. Even red cordial will stain these tops, so just be nice and careful. Right, so we're just going to take those out after a few minutes. We've just given those a bit of a toss around into the dye, make sure everything is nice and even, and we get a nice even coverage of that dye on there. Put that on a few sheets of paper towel to help absorb the dye as these eggs start to dry off and finish absorbing the dye. I'm going to mix both colors together. So if you're going to use like a green and a yellow or something like that, or green and a red, you'll end up with some really funky colors. That's always worth doing. I hope we've done that in the past. Alright, so once again, just put your eggs in, give them a turn around from time to time. Be nice and careful, don't splash that dye everywhere, otherwise you are going to destroy your bench top. Right, very carefully, once again, we're going to take these out, and you can see a differentiation in the colors. I'm going to put them in an egg container so it'll look really cool. Obviously try and do this one at home next Easter. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to do traditional style eggs like this one, like our family does, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow to start smashing these eggs against my nephew, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.